Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how we can turn off the Samsung keyboard sound. Before starting the process, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. To start the process, we enter the settings. We scroll up the screen and tap on the General Management option. Then we select the Samsung Keyboard Settings option. We swipe up the screen that opens and click on the Swipe, Touch, and Feedback option. We tap on the Touch Feedback option to mute the keyboard sound. Finally, we turn the sound setting off. In this way, we turn off the key pressing sound of the Samsung keyboard. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.